Oh, dang. All right, guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the iPad mini A17 Pro. And super excited to check this thing out. It comes in a few different colors. I did go with blue this time around, but they've got like space gray, blue, purple, and a kind of like beige color. Anyways, box design looks super cool. We're going to take the little things off the back here and get this out, so just bear with me. It's been a while, man, since I had an iPad mini. It's been like years, I think. I have the newer iPad they released, the bigger one, but the mini, I'm kind of glad to see this come back. Oh my God, I am struggling to get this little thing off, but I got it. All right, anyways, let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Oh, all right. As far as the screen size on this, though, guys, it's an 8.3-inch liquid retina display. I do have the 128 gig model. That's what I decided to go with here, so I think that's enough storage for me personally. All right, let's see what comes in the box. Manual here, I got to imagine. Pretty large manual, I guess, but not a whole lot in here. Let's just take a look, and okay, cool, whatever. We know how to use an iPad. We don't need this. We don't need this. Let's just throw it to the side. Charging cable to be expected, and that's about it. And let's take the wrapping off this thing and, you know, hold it up to the camera and see if it's awesome or not, right? But I got to tell you guys straight up, the blue looks nice. It's like a light blue. Very cool, though. Very cool. You know, the thing, too, about, like, getting a mini-size iPad, it's almost, to me, it might be a little bit better than the full size just because it might be a little bit easier to carry around. I'll have to get back to everybody on that as I post more videos on this. But first impressions, I like the design. Let's power this baby up and take things a little bit further. Now, to save some time, I always like to skip through the startup screen and kind of just get things rolling. But I'll tell you what, first impressions of this, kind of what I expected. You know, I've been buying iPads for many years. It's been a while since they released a mini, and I'm glad to see that they're going to keep it going with the minis. I think that for a lot of people, it's a little bit cheaper than buying a full-size iPad, which is one of the benefits. And, you know, they're cool, man. They're easy to carry around, and, you know, I would recommend the blue color on this. As far as the camera goes, it's going to be pretty decent for video and video recording and, you know, taking photos. But I think for most people, this is just going to be like something you pick up maybe in the morning or leave on like your nightstand, or maybe just take it with you to work. And it's just because it's just a little bit easier to carry around. The next thing I want to do is run a little bit of video, and I'm actually going to play some Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on this, which I'm pretty excited to show you guys. We're going to get into a zombie match. Of course, if you guys did want to learn more about the iPad mini 7, there will be some different links I'll leave below in the description and comments for it, as far as some discounts, things they got going on, you know, with Apple for it, and especially if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, because right now it's like $500, which is reasonable. The newer iPads, you know, you're gonna be spending way more than that, and it is what it is. And if you could tap the like as we're, you know, killing some zombies here, I would appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me below on this, and let's freaking run it.
Doesn't matter. Oh, combat axe. I'll tag punching my knife. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, this is clean. Yep, this is nice. I like this.
I'll pummel you, Red. Fuck until I'm stopped.
Kaboom. Oh shoot! Hey, hold on. Die!
Your project data secured, yes? A so-called rapid response team. Not nearly rapid enough, but I knew you would come.
Alright, well, I'm wave 11. Let's go.
I think some just went in my mouth.
Double power. Extraction bird in your AO. Limited timeout. Bonus points. Tear them to pieces. Max ammo. Exfil is no longer available.
Never mind.
Carver, I just won our headshot contest.
Insta-kill. Points. Happy birthday, candy ass. We're all out of cake, but we do got Pamela.
I miss real coffee.
I'm like a cockroach. Apocalypse poop.
Insta-kill. You're sweet on that weapon. You are one sick puppy. I like that.
Yes, I understand how the SDG works and built the damn thing.